Agriculture is being plagued by various problems. These problems directly and indirectly affect the life of farmers. Farming practices and other activities of agriculture consume time as well as the efforts of farmer. We stock grains, we use food throughout the year. However, we hardly give a thought to the hard work and dedication of farmers involved in the production of crops. These food crops are cultivated to contribute to the overall growth in the sector of agriculture. Nevertheless, the problems faced by the farmers go unnoticed in the entire process of extracting food and harvesting crops. In a country like India, they have to struggle hard to achieve sustained progress in irrigation. Mostly due to late onset of monsoon, the sowing of crops are delayed, resulting in poor yields. Besides its uncertainty, the distribution of rainfall during crop period is uneven, receiving high amount of rain when it is not needed and lack of it when crop needs it. Loss of rain occurs as runoff due to undulating and slopy soils. Drylands are not only thirsty but also hungry too. In order to reduce their problems, our project mainly focuses to assist the farmers to identify their crop growth. The uniqueness in our project is that it is not necessary that farmers should have a smartphone. The data will be sent as message even to their dumb phones. Along with this, we provide user-friendly interface, the web application, so that it is also platform independent and has a good hardware build quality. The reliable data service through which we aid and assist production. If they get familiar with the mechanism of technical devices, farmer can eliminate several problems faced by them. We have designed this project with three modules. Firstly, the ADC automatic data collector. Secondly, IYA interactive yield assistant. And thirdly, the camera module. In the ADC module, we have connected Arduino board with solar panel and cell, which will directly collect the data and store in the cell. We can also store the power and use solar light during nighttime. We have also connected temperature scale which will compute the temperature of the soil or sense or detect the temperature for an hour so that we get 24 readings a day. Along with this solid quality testing sensor can both monitor the quality and reduce the cost of laboratory soil analysis as well as to improve crop management and overall crop production. Besides, rain gauge sensor is used to gather and measure the amount of liquid precipitation over an area in a predefined period of time so we can easily predict the forthcoming rain and take necessary steps. Together, this will be connected to a Wi-Fi module called ElectroPeak ESP826612N, which will collect the data and send it to a cloud service. The second module is IYA. In this, we have an Arduino with display and button. Through this, farmers can manually give data of water level and urea they have provided to their crop. The third module is camera module, specially designed for image acquisition. This is again connected with an Arduino with solar panel and cell. The ADC module, IYA module and camera module are connected together. The ADC module to fetch data like temperature, soil quality and prediction of cloudburst. The IYA to get data of water level and urea from farmers and interrupt the output. Besides, this module is connected with SIM900 GSM, hence these data will be sent as message to farmers' dumb phone as well as a web application. The web application is developed with a Python code where image processing and forecasting data are previously embedded. Through this web application, we have developed a portal for farmers. In this, each farmers will have a separate portal so that they can log in their portal and observe the predicted data, know the growth of their crop. The data from IYA and ADC are sent to the database connectivity. Here, we have used the Firebase Cloud Service, which is an effective database. The camera module will capture the picture of pest attack plant and undergo a comparison using CNN technology, which is already embedded with an Arduino so that the pest attack plants can easily identified and instructs the farmers to carry out the necessary precautions. This can enhance the healthy growth of production. So, we assure you that our project will surely provide greater and more consistent crop production across the world.